Dave Asprey, founder of Bulletproof, and I'm always playing around up here at Bulletproof Labs to see what kind of new creations I can make. And I'm sad to tell you that alcohol really isn't good for you. I'd like it to be, but it's not. But we're all still going to indulge at least some of the time if we want to, and that's just a fact of life. So how do you be as bulletproof as you can with alcohol? I discovered something that's really delicious, and here's how it works. You take a top shelf rum and you pour it over ice. And then you add Bulletproof ready to drink coffee. This is our cold brew. And I like the mocha flavor. The vanilla works well. And you pour it over the ice and over the rum. And it's amazing what happens. You get something that tastes like a White Russian, sort of. I haven't named this drink yet, but it is amazing to take Bulletproof coffee and add some rum to it and serve it over ice. It tastes amazing, and Brain Octane Oil does some interesting stuff in the body when alcohol is present that makes it more protective, so you feel better. Having ketones helps with inflammation, and so if you get some ketones from the Brain Octane that's in the Bulletproof coffee, at the same time you have the alcohol, you feel really good. And I don't feel hungover if I have one of these. I don't feel anything from it that's negative. You just feel kind of happy the way you want to feel. So high quality rum, Bulletproof cold brew, ice. That's all it takes. And when you do that, this is the new Bulletproof drink.